learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
When the summer heat gets a bit too much, drop by the cold springs in Beipu and cool off. The cold spring water in this Hakka village is always between 10 and 20 degrees Celsius, so it's a great way to chill out in the summer months. And while you're there, why not check out some historic sites? There's the Grand Tianshui Hall, built in 1832, and Zitian Temple.
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個
Leo。Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。Now, even though a lot of people have to return back to school this month, the weather is still nice outside, and maybe we should take you to places around Taiwan that has more Hakka culture. 所以 Leo 今天呢，可以带我们到哪一个富有客家文化的村庄呢？
我们今天去那新竹北埔好了。
Okay, not too bad. Hsinchu is kind of like, right in the middle of everything, and Hsinchu has a lot of Hakka culture, so we're going to take you to another township in Hsinchu known as Beipu. Okay, that's a town found in Hsinchu. So what's famous in Beipu?
到夏天大家一定要去的地方就是北埔的冷泉廊潜。
廊潜。Oh, you know what? Taiwan is known for its hot springs, but there are also cold springs around the island. And one of the places where you can enjoy cold springs is this place in Hsinchu, in Beipu. And you say cold spring in Hakka is
廊潜。
廊潜。Okay, that's how you say cold springs. 好，那这个泡完冷泉呢？因为泡个冷泉大概也花1-2个钟头而已吧。
对。
之后还可以做什么呢？
我们可以去参观一下古迹。那个像很有名的就是天水堂、田水堂。另外一个地方一定要去的就是池天宫、慈天宫。
Okay, so there are a couple of historic sites that you should check out in Beipu after you're done with your session in the cold springs, because that usually only takes a couple of hours. You can check out these two historic sites. One is called 田水堂.
它是一个池塘，一个宫厅啦。
All right, so it's a very old ancient ruin that is over there. And also 另外一个地方叫做
慈天宫。
慈天宫是慈天宫吧？
对对对。
Okay, so that's another place you should check out.
还有一种东西你一定要去看哦。
Okay.
那就是散普蛹。
散普蛹。
这个花就叫山芙蓉。最特别的就是它一天会有变3种颜色。
Oh wow.
早上去看的时候是白色的。
Okay.
然后中午去看呢是粉红色的。那个傍晚去看呢，它就变成一个深红色的。
No kidding. Okay, if you're able to go to Beipu, please check out the flowers over there, especially the sanfurong flower, because it's so special that it changes colors throughout the day. During the morning hours, it's white. During the noontime hours, it's kind of pink. And during the evening hours, it turns sort of dark red. All right, go check out Beipu. Sounds like a fun thing to do on the weekend. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么 Hakka？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.